The conference on the future of Europe is in full swing. Europe's biggest ever exercise in participatory democracy saw 200 more Europeans of all ages and backgrounds meet in Parliament's home in Strasbourg for the second EU Citizens Panel to discuss issues that matter to them.
Odražate evropsko, demografsko in družbeno raznolikost in pestrost. Še posebej me veseli, da med vami vidim toliko mladih.
This time they discussed EU values, rights, security and the rule of law. Citizens shared their ideas about strengthening democracy in the EU. Suggestions included engaging voters by better informing them about European elections, bringing EU institutions closer and making them more relevant, and ways to foster a European spirit.
That's where the democratic part of it comes in. That it's absolutely essential that the people have as much power as possible.
They also discussed how to protect democracy from outside interference. As well as group discussions, they broke into smaller workshops to examine issues including ways of bringing the EU closer to citizens, how to improve security, ensuring member states respect the rule of law, and how to boost equality for all.
Por ejemplo, mejorar el papel de la mujer, incorporarla más en estos sectores que no está tan, no es muy visible, no ves tantas mujeres políticas. Es muy importante tener mujeres como papeles importantes para que las niñas crean que eso es posible.
20 members from each European Citizens Panel will join the conference plenary as full members. Proposals made by the panels will help shape the conference's recommendations expected in spring 2022.